Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Bobby. And today, we're going to make delicious breakfast sandwiches. So, a few things I want to talk about. Our ingredients are a block of cheese, some fresh ground sausage, potatoes we're going to make like fried potatoes and onions. Got eggs, butter, and then I'm going to use these really nice buns. I'm going to toast those on the griddle. So pro tip, I make potatoes ahead of time in the oven. I'll take these, I wash them, pierce them with a fork, wrap them up in foil, and I put them in the oven for, depending on size, like an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and 45 minutes, depending on how big the potato is. And we're going to cut this up into just slices, and then I fry it in some butter. But first we're going to dice up our onion. Salt, pepper, paprika, get the good stuff, not the junk stuff. Lower our heat a little bit. Alright, while those are getting happy, potato time. Cut the ends off, give them to your dog, and then I'm just going to take this and cut them in little slices. Okay, so onions are looking good. I'm going to push these to the back, add a touch more butter, put in our potatoes. Salt, pepper. You can do a little bit of your paprika too if you want. Get a little bit more fat in here.
You like cooking with Bobby? Yeah, you do.
We're gonna just let things slow down a bit. So I'm gonna come and we're gonna put all this on my back burner on low, and I'm gonna kind of keep things under here because I want those to cook a little bit more. Then we'll flip those and let that get slowly done. But we're gonna work on our sausage now. So the big thing with making sausage for a sandwich is you want a nice big patty and you want it thin so it cooks fast. So I have these like parchment paper sheets. I put 2 of them down. Then I have 2 here. You could use like wax paper would work fine too. I'm gonna want to get a glass pie plate. We're gonna get our sausage. And what I like to do, I have the pan heating up on low, and this is I'm gonna take like, you know, a handful of it, not a lot, but you make like a ball. Put that in the middle. Take your other sheets, put it on top. Get your pie plate. Smash it down. There's your patty, right? We're going to put our sausage in here, cover that. This is our clean hands still. Wash our hands again. They're getting nice. So we're just going to put the lid on them. But I am going to get my oven ready. And I just keep a pan here with foil in it. And then we're gonna turn this on like 200 degrees because we're gonna just cook our sausage in here till it's almost done. We're gonna put it in here to stay warm and to also kind of finish a little bit. So we're just gonna take cheese, and you can either slice it or you can shred it. I'm just gonna slice it. Then we're gonna get our griddle nice and hot. Just kind of move those around on the butter. Now we gotta get our egg ready. Again, a little bit of butter. Just gonna mix one egg up. That's what you want.